Hi, welcome to awork. We'd like to show you how task bundles can help you to create projects even faster. Let's head over to the task section of this project we already set up for this demo. Since this is a new project, there are no lists or tasks in it yet. You can either create a new list to start from scratch, or you can choose one of your pre-configured task bundles. Before deciding on one of the bundles, you can preview its lists and tasks, then add all of them with just a click. If you'd like to import another task bundle, you can always do that via the Tasks context menu. In order to manage your task bundles and add new ones, head over to their Settings page. Here you can view, edit and add as many task bundles as you like. Let's automate this even further. By clicking Manage Project Types from the Task Bundles context menu, you can add this bundle to one or several project types. Once you do this, these task bundles will be automatically added to projects of this specific type. You can even set bundles to be added only once your project reaches a certain status. This is especially helpful for situations like quality gates or other regular to-dos that are a fixed part of your project process. Remember, a bundle a day keeps the deadlines at bay.